Connecteam tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Connecteam, your all-in-one solution for team communication, collaboration, and management. Connecteam is a powerful and easy-to-use platform that allows you to communicate, operate, and train your non-desk workforce, all from your smartphone or computer. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up your account, explore the features and functionalities of the platform, add users and admins in Connecteam, and create a new form in Connecteam. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Connecteam, the first step is to create an account. You will find this link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, simply click on the prominent Get Started button on the home page. This action will redirect you to the registration page, where you will be required to provide some basic information. On the registration page, enter your first and last name, along with your business email address. It's essential to create a strong password to secure your account effectively. Once all the necessary information is provided, click on the Let's Go button to proceed. After successfully signing up, you will be directed to your account dashboard. However, before gaining full access to the dashboard's features, a pop-up window will appear, guiding you through the process of personalizing your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your account according to your preferences and needs. This step ensures that your Connecteam experience is tailored to suit your specific requirements, allowing you to make the most out of the platform's functionalities. The dashboard of Connecteam offers a straightforward and user-friendly interface, making navigation a breeze. The dashboard features a left menu, which houses essential tabs, each catering to specific actions and functionalities. Under the Overview tab, you can access quick actions such as adding users and administrators, sending updates, and managing engagement data for specific time periods. Additionally, this section provides an overview of alerts and daily activity, enabling a comprehensive understanding of the platform's performance. The Activity tab allows you to view your activity in a minute-by-minute breakdown, providing valuable insights into your operations and productivity. Under the Users tab, you can easily view the list of users and administrators you have added to the system. This section allows you to access user details and facilitates the export of user data in CSV and XLS formats. For those yet to add users and administrators, an intuitive process to do so is provided within this section. Smart Groups present a powerful feature enabling the automatic publication of assets and content to you based on customized filters and rules. You can create smart groups for various purposes such as onboarding, new employees, grouping users by branch, or creating special groups. The Communication section offers channels for chats, updates, and directories. You can add new communication channels by clicking on the Add New button and selecting from a list of available communication options. For example, if you wish to add events to the Communication section, you can easily do so by clicking on the plus button next to Events. The Operations section encompasses various functionalities, including time clock management, forms, and job scheduling. You can further expand the operations available by clicking on the Add New button and incorporating additional features as needed. The HR and Skills section incorporates vital components such as document management, celebrations, and time-off tracking. Similar to other sections, you can enhance the options within this category by clicking on the Add New button and including supplementary features. Connecteam also empowers you to customize the left menu by adding new sections. To achieve this, simply click on Add Section, enter the desired name for the new section, and it will seamlessly integrate into the left menu, allowing for a tailored and personalized experience. Beyond the left menu, you can access additional options on the right side of the dashboard. These options encompass accessibility options, the chat function, the notification center, and the account section, granting you easy access to relevant features and settings. Now, let's see how to add users and admins in Connecteam. To add users and admins in Connecteam, follow these simple steps. First, navigate to the left menu and click on the Users tab. This action will direct you to the Users page, where you can conveniently view the list of users and admins you have already added. In case you haven't added any user or admin yet, adding a new one is a seamless process. To add a new user, click on the Mobile Users section and you will see the existing users displayed. To proceed with adding a new user, click on the Add Users button. Once you click on this button, a new window will appear on the screen. Within this window, enter the first and last name of the user you wish to add, along with their mobile number. The platform allows you to add as many users as you require. Once you have entered the necessary information, click on the Confirm button and the users will be promptly added to your Connecteam account. To add a new admin in Connecteam, start by clicking on the Admins section. Within this section, you will find the list of admins you have previously added. To proceed with adding a new admin, click on the Add Admins button. This action will prompt a new window to appear on the screen, providing fields to input the required details. In this window, you will be asked to enter the first name, last name, phone number, email address, assigned group, and assigned features for the new admin, so make sure to provide all the information required. You can add as many admins as needed by repeating the process for each individual. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click on the Confirm button to finalize the addition. After the new admins, they will be successfully added to your Connect account, and you can easily find them listed in the Admin section. Following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and expand the user and admin base within your Connecteam account, enabling smooth communication and collaboration among team members and administrators. Next, let's see how to create a form in Connecteam. To create a form in Connecteam, there are two ways you can follow. In the first method, navigate to the Overview tab in the left menu and click on it. Once on the Overview page, look for the Create a Form option located in the Quick Actions section. Click on it to proceed with form creation. Alternatively, you can access the Forms section under the Operations tab in the left menu. Clicking on Forms will take you to the page where you can create a new form. Here, click on the Activate Forms option to begin the form creation process. A pop-up window will appear with two options: Start from scratch and Use a template. Select Use a template if you prefer to work with a pre-built template that can be customized according to your requirements. After choosing to use a template, you can then browse the available templates. Let's say you want to use a template called Personal Info Update. Choose the template and then click on Select this template to proceed with customization. You will be directed to another window where you can tailor the selected template to your liking. On the left side of the window, you will find sections of the template such as address, mobile phone, other phone numbers, email address, and more. You have the flexibility to delete, duplicate, or edit each section according to the specific information you wish to collect through the form. For example, you want to update the mobile phone section on your form and add your phone number. Hover over the mobile phone section and then click on the pencil icon representing Edit. This action will trigger a pop-up window where you can enter your mobile number and optionally add a description. If you want to make the mobile number a required field, click on the box next to Required. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click on Confirm and the mobile number will now be added to the form. You can customize the entire form using the same method. After you have tailored the template to your preferences, click on the Save button to save the form. Once you have saved the form, another window will appear allowing you to publish the form to specific recipients. Choose either Smart Groups or Select Users to determine who will receive the form. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. Next, you can further refine the recipients by selecting specific users from the list. Click on Next once you've made your selections. In the next step, you can decide whether to publish the form immediately or schedule it for a later time. Click on the radio button next to Publish Now or Schedule Publish. Once you've made your choice, click on Next to move to the final step. In the final step, review your settings and click on Confirm to publish the form. After that, the form will be successfully published, and you will be directed to the form page where you can further manage and monitor its usage. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Connecteam. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.